still broke even after making a budget? Plot twist. You don't have a budgeting problem, you have a dopamine problem. Let's be honest. You already know how to budget. You already know your money habits are not helping your goals. You even searched how to budget low income and watched budgeting hacks on TikTok. But the moment Shopee sends a notification like 99 sale plus free shipping, your brain turns into a golden retriever that just saw a tennis ball. That's not budgeting, that's dopamine spending. Today we're not talking about spreadsheets. We're talking about why your brain sabotages your wallet and how to stop emotional spending even if you're on a low income or starting from 1,000. By the end of this video, you'll have a top 5 list of reasons why your budget keeps failing, a 3-step solution framework to fix it, mini action steps to apply immediately. Let's drag your brain gently, but with love. Top 5 reasons your budget fails. Reason number 1, you chase dopamine, not goals. AKA, the $199 Lazada checkout is cheaper than therapy. Dopamine equals motivation plus anticipation plus excitement. That little rush you feel from. Add to cart. Click checkout. Order received. Yep, that's a dopamine hit. The rush fades. The parcel arrives. And then you feel broke and ugly. Relatable example. You swear you're budgeting this month, but Zara drops new arrivals and suddenly you're like, I deserve this. Self-love. No, bestie, that's self-sabotage with free shipping. Mini action step. Before buying, ask, do I want this or do I just want the dopamine? If the thrill disappears, don't buy it. Reason number 2, you budget based on your fantasy version of yourself. AKA, you think you're low maintenance but your cart says otherwise? You tell yourself, I'm going to cook meals to save. Day 1, cooks adobo. Day 2, grab food, 650 pesos plus delivery fee. Relatable example. Your budget spreadsheet says 2,000 for food. Your real life says 2,000 was breakfast. Mini action step. Build a budget based on who you are today, not the Pinterest version of you. Reason number 3, you mix budgeting with chaos. You budget in your notes app. You track expenses in Excel, receipts in your wallet, bank balance in your head. Gcash is somewhere. Your finances look like organized chaos minus the organized. Mini action step. Pick one monitoring tool for everything. E-wallet, spreadsheet, budgeting app. Clarity creates control. Reason number 4, you don't plan for dopamine temptations. You go to the mall just to look. Suddenly, you're walking out with a starter pack bag, new fragrance, iced coffee, random cute notebooks you'll never use. Mini action step. Before going out, write a buy list. If it's not on the list, it's not going home with you. Reason number 5, you think budgeting equals restriction, so your brain rebels. You say, no milk tea this month. Your brain hears, we are dying. Buy 3. Mini action step. Instead of cutting everything, budget for fun. Call it guilt-free pleasure money. Even 200 can remove the urge to binge spend later. Now, here are the 3 steps to stop dopamine spending without feeling broke or deprived. Step number 1, hack your dopamine, not your discipline. Instead of trying to fight your brain, use dopamine to your advantage. Dopamine hack. Add excitement to saving, not spending. Example, turn 1,000 savings into 1,000 closer to my first investment. Attach your dopamine to your goals, not your cart. Step number 2, automate good habits, remove temptation. You don't need more willpower, you need fewer decisions. Auto transfer money the moment income arrives. Hide your savings account from your main banking app. Delete Lazada and Shopee on weekdays. If your environment doesn't change, your habits won't change. And step number 3, the 48-hour rule. This is proven to kill impulse buying. If you want to buy something that isn't a need, wait 48 hours. Not 24. Not, I'll think about it. 2 days. If you still want it after 48 hours, buy it. Guilt-free. 90% of the time, you'll forget about it because you didn't want the item. You wanted the dopamine. To recap, you don't have a budgeting problem. You have a dopamine spending problem. Your budget fails because your brain loves dopamine hits. You budget based on fantasy you. Your system is chaos. You don't expect temptations. You treat budgeting like punishment. The fix isn't more discipline. It's a better system. If you want to learn how to budget even on low income, how to start investing with just $1,000, and build money habits that create real wealth instead of retail therapy, hit subscribe and join Freedom Years Project, where we teach you how to build wealth without sacrificing milk tea, personality, or joy. Because we don't do no-spend challenges here. We do smart spending and guilt-free saving. And hey, if you want something to get started today, I'm giving away a free beginner budgeting and dopamine detox guide. Just email me at freedomyearsproject@gmail.com and use this subject line so I know it's you. Send me the dopamine budget guide. I'll reply with the PDF plus worksheets you can use right away. Comment this. What's your biggest dopamine trigger? Shopee? Grab food? Coffee? I'll read the comments. And yes, I will judge you lovingly.